Blueberries, a natural shield against UV damage. Blueberries are rich in a variety of nutrients and antioxidants that help protect the skin from ultraviolet UV damage. Among these, anthocyanins are particularly powerful. Anthocyanins are a type of flavonoid that give blueberries their deep blue color, and they are potent antioxidants capable of neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and DNA. While free radicals are naturally produced in the body, exposure to UV radiation also generates them. Thus, anthocyanins play an essential role in neutralizing free radicals and protecting the skin from UV-induced damage. Scientific studies have shown the protective effects of blueberries against UV damage. In one study, participants who drank a blueberry beverage before UV exposure experienced significantly less skin redness and inflammation compared to those who did not. Another study found that applying blueberry extract directly to the skin before UV exposure provided notable protection against UV-induced skin damage. In addition to UV protection, blueberries offer many other skin benefits. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, which helps brighten the complexion and even out skin tone. They also contain vitamin E, which supports hydration and nourishes the skin. Moreover, blueberries are rich in dietary fiber and other essential nutrients, contributing to overall health and well-being. Sun protection through nutrition. Blueberries as a natural defense against UV rays. While incorporating blueberries into your diet provides powerful nutritional support, it is important to combine dietary protection with other sun safety practices. Recommended measures include applying a good quality sunscreen, avoiding prolonged sun exposure, and wearing hats and protective clothing. When it comes to preventing UV damage, we should not overlook the natural gifts provided by nature. Nutritional sun protection, combined with the healing power of natural foods, offers great potential in preventing various conditions while supporting overall health. Embracing ancient wisdom and the healing power of nature. In our fast-paced, modern world, stress, anxiety, and pollution have become major health challenges. Yet long before the advent of advanced medical technology, ancient people lived healthier and more balanced lives by observing nature and following its rhythms. This is the essence of natural therapy, using herbal resources and inner wisdom to restore well-being. Ancient insights. Harmony between nature and the human body. The Chinese ancients believed that true health comes from internal balance. They practiced Tianren Heiyi, unity of heaven and man, adapting their lifestyles to the seasons and emphasizing emotional regulation, natural diet, and herbal healing. Without modern tools, they relied on herbs from nature, astragalus to boost energy, dandelion to detox, ginger to warm the body. Each plant served as natural medicine. Seasonal living. Aligning with nature's cycles through rest, nourishment, and emotional clarity. Simple longevity. Natural eating, mindful movement, and inner cultivation brought vitality and productivity. Modern applications of natural therapy. Herbal and eco practices. Homemade enzymes purify the air and body. Plants like citronella, mint, and lavender repel mosquitoes naturally. Emotional well-being. Spending time in nature, enjoying music or crafts, and connecting with others all promote mental health and happiness. Reconnecting with nature. Natural therapy reminds us to simplify, rebalance, and return to nature. By living in harmony with the environment and nurturing both body and spirit, we can find the true path to lasting health and peace.
In today's fast-paced modern society, our bodies, minds, and environments face various challenges. We often unknowingly endure the stress brought about by impure surroundings, such as unhealthy diets, improper or excessive use of unverified medications, and the threats to health posed by mental pressure. China, with its 5,000 years of cultural heritage, deeply rooted in the wisdom of Confucianism, Buddhism, and Taoism, provides invaluable insights into health preservation. Ancient people drew upon this wisdom, combining the power of nature's herbs with spiritual therapies to coexist harmoniously with the world, nurturing an endless array of health-preserving practices. It is well known that ancient wisdom emphasized the principle of prevention is better than cure. They understood that by following a diet and lifestyle suited to their constitution, they could prevent illnesses and maintain health. As an old saying goes, medicinal supplements cannot compare to dietary nourishment, and dietary nourishment is surpassed by spiritual cultivation. This not only highlights the pivotal role of diet in health preservation, but also underscores the importance of mental and spiritual well-being. Through practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and nurturing the spirit, ancient people maintained inner balance and tranquility, achieving holistic health of the body, mind, and spirit. The Chinese character for medicine is a testament to ancient wisdom, composed of herbs and joy, symbolizing the combination of herbal remedies and spiritual healing. They represents the natural efficacy of herbs in harmonizing the body's yin and yang, and enhancing self-healing capabilities, while emphasizes the significance of mental well-being. This character reflects the ancient cosmic view of the unity of heaven and humanity, stressing the importance of harmonious coexistence between humans and the natural environment. Through the Health, Nature, and Beauty channel, we explore the philosophy of nature and health preservation, uncovering the ancient wisdom of Chinese traditional health practices. By harnessing the miraculous healing power of herbs, we aim to prevent various illnesses. You can check out our playlist or click the link below to learn more. Incorporating the health preservation wisdom of the ancients into modern life allows us to learn from their insights, express gratitude for nature's gifts, and make good use of herbs and dietary therapies to restore harmony to our body, mind. Ancient people valued holistic health, focusing on cultivating both body and mind alongside methods like diet and exercise. They adhered to the cosmic law of the unity of heaven and humanity, integrating harmony of body, mind, and spirit to achieve yin-yang balance within the body. A positive mindset contributes to the smooth circulation of energy and blood, while a calm attitude toward external challenges helps reduce anxiety and worries. A healthy mental state is the cornerstone of physical well-being. By integrating the health preservation practices of Chinese culture into modern life, we can truly embody the essence of health, nature, and beauty.